What's up, YouTube? How's everybody? Hope everybody's doing good. So today I'm I'm cleaning out my exhaust system for my Honda Civic, and I happened to order this about a week ago. It's a dryer cleaner vent brush. Now the thing about this, I was trying to find something because I had my car sit for a very long time. So it's sitting in storage for a very long time, and of course the inside of the exhaust started like rusted out and whatnot. So I was trying to find a way to clean out my my human insides, inside my exhaust system without damaging it. So what I did was I was like, I can't find it. Only thing about this brush is when you could extend it from, like, I think it's up to 13 feet, something like that. But anyway, it's intended for like your dryer vent, all that good stuff. But they also got the extension and all that good stuff, which is cool. I order off of Amazon usually, and oh, that's what I was about to say. So we add the extension to it. Here's the brush, actually. This is the brush. So you can add the extension to it. The problem is when you use a brush that goes in, they like my views. That baby crying, they like my views. So when you tie it together, what happens is they get tighter and tighter, and that's the only pros about these. But other than that, you kind of put in like a grip vise to untighten these things. And but other than that, they came out. They actually works pretty well for my exhaust system. I know I've seen a lot of people do different ones, like putting fumes in it and let it burn it off, and I'm like, I don't have time for that. It'll clean out the exhaust system, the inside of it, which is very good for me. And I'm not using no type of flames. I'm not using no type of, like, I don't know, gasolines to clean it out. So everybody have their own prefer way of cleaning out the exhaust system. For me, I just want to do it quick, safe, and fast, and out the way. That's number one. Oh yeah, subscribe, please. Just like just subscribe. Appreciate it. Yep. Even the babies go to subscribe. Yes, so other than that, I'm gonna clean this out. Actually, I'm gonna show you. Yes, the babies. I don't know who baby is that. Just one being, yeah. I'm not the daddy. I think the baby says daddy or something like that. But I am gonna show you the inside of my exhaust system. Some of them. So like this, for a prime example, this is my test bike for my Honda Civic. But that's not one out of like freaking 3. That's my other one. So, oh my God, that was loud. For prime example, I think I did this one last week. It's kind of hard to see, but even so, it's rusted around, but it cleaned out some of the stuff out the way. Oh my God, this sucker is heavy. Let me see. Here's my mid pipe. Like, this was actually a perfect example. It's all rusted inside. And I'm gonna show you how I clean that out real quick. So here's a prime example of me cleaning it out. Ooh. Yep, so here's Mother's to polish. Magic. I think it right. Alright. This is actually cool. This is my chrome. You don't. So you can just add on a little bit. I probably put way too much up there, but that's alright. But you ain't got to put that much on it. See how it's all Wax on, damn son. Wax on, wax on. Wax on, wax off, damn son. Yeah, there you go. This is actually good to do. Damn son, about to get waxed on. Yeah, so you don't have to add that much to it. But enough so I could just wax it on, wax off. Just take one of your fork and there you go. This one might come to Johnny. Might need a little bit more buffing, but sure, yeah. I don't think I'm gonna put it through that long. I think you're supposed to let it sit. Oops. Hold that thought. It doesn't give you a time frame, but just add on and there we go. There we go. Oh. You know what? We're gonna towel too, because this towel is no leak and it's seated, so. You get the little, you got a little something shiny inside. There you go. Give it a little pinpoint. Try this one more time, and I gotta do the rest. Oh, there we go. Yep, there we go. I think because this muffler been sitting for a while, but don't want to give me the shine. I'm gonna get that shine. Oh, that is beautiful. Yeah, there you go. So it is the next day. I just got through cleaning out the exhaust. Yeah, and it actually wasn't too bad. The product I'm using, like I said, it's like a vent dry cleaner thing. Cleans out your vent, but also is good to clean out your exhaust. But anyway, I mean, other than that, it is actually pretty cool. The exhaust system that I do have, I might have to get one down the line, another one. But make a long story short, it actually, it cleaned out very well. My next thing I need to do, I have a polish that I'm gonna do to clean off my chrome. All right, there we go. Oh, okay, it looks beautiful, thank you. So, the next one I have is the polish that I'm gonna use. This another one. I use this on my TL exhaust muffler. I don't know how to do that. Yeah, so I use this. Actually, it came out real good, real clean. I'm gonna do the same thing when I use this exhaust. Hold that thought. I'm gonna show you what I'm polishing. Oh no, you know what? No, I ain't gonna hold that thought. But this is my next step. So hold on, senior cheers. I'm gonna show you how bright this thing gets on the chrome. But this is very good. Between this and the steel wool, it's a 007 steel wool wool that I use without scratching on my chrome, so which actually came out real good too. So hold on, I'm gonna show you what this look like on this muffler and stuff like that.